Hello friend, myself Dr. Kishore Suradkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Indira Mahavidyalaya, Kadam District, Yavatmal, Maharashtra. Today I will discuss about the biodiversity conservation. We can conserve the biodiversity by two methods. First is the in-situ conservation and second one is the ex-situ conservation. Here are some example of both the types. In-situ biodiversity conservation, wildlife sanctuary, national parks, and biosphere reserves are the example. In ex-situ conservation, seed banks, zoological park, botanical gardens are the example. What is meant by in-situ conservation? It is the way of conserving biodiversity in the most appropriate method. In this strategy, you have to find out the area with high biodiversity, that means with high number of animal and plants which are present in that particular area. After that, these high biodiversity areas should be covered in the form of natural park, sanctuary, biosphere reserve, etc. In this way, we can conserve the biodiversity in their natural habitat from human activity. And these are some examples of the in-situ conservation like wildlife sanctuary, natural parks, and biosphere reserves. The second type is the ex-situ conservation. It means the conservation involves the conservation of biodiversity outside of their natural habitats by forming a gene bank. In this store seeds, sperms, and ova at extremely low temperature and humidity. It is very helpful to save large variety of species of plant and animal in very small space. Example, sperms and ova banks, seed banks, forming zoo and botanical garden for research purposes and to increase public awareness, collecting living organisms for aquaria, zoo and botanical gardens. These are some examples of ex-situ conservation, for example, seed bank, zoological parks, botanical garden. There are so many legislations like Environment Protection Act 1986, Forest Act 1927, Wildlife Protection Act. There are so many acts to protect our forest and biodiversity. Thank you.